In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Miro board. Whether you're collaborating on a project with a team or just want to share your ideas visually, being able to share your Miro board effectively is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Miro.com. This website is your gateway to accessing all the functionality Miro has to offer. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you're just a few quick steps away from accessing your boards. You'll have the choice to sign in using your email or your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. After entering your login credentials, click on Continue with Email, and you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard, which houses all your projects. Here, locate the specific board you want to share. Each board in Miro contains its own unique set of ideas, planning, and collaboration efforts you've put together. To the right of your board's name, you should see 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Share. Sharing your board is crucial for allowing others access to your work, whether it's for presenting, receiving feedback, or collaborative brainstorming. After clicking Share, you'll encounter a set of sharing settings where you can manage permissions. It's important to understand that these settings control who can view, comment on, or edit your board. Now let's talk about permissions. You should see an option that says Change Permissions. Click it. If you're sharing your board with someone who just needs to view it, you'll want to set the permission to Viewer. This setting ensures they can see everything without altering or editing any of your content, keeping your original layout and information intact. Once you've adjusted the permissions to your liking, the next step is to click on Copy Board Link. This action copies a unique URL to your clipboard, which you can paste into an email, message, or any communication tool of your choice to share the board with others. The link provides a straightforward way for recipients to access your board, given they have the appropriate permissions. And there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of how to share your Miro board. By following these steps, you can efficiently collaborate with colleagues, classmates, or anyone who needs access to your visual workspace. Sharing Miro boards can greatly enhance project communication and collaboration by allowing everyone to easily access and contribute to your shared ideas. So go ahead, share your board, and let your creativity connect with others.